Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars, and coming up this week we've got a super rare one-of-one car coming up. Now this car's got an amazing background history to it. Back in 1977, Wayne Negus, who was a very, very competitive and popular racing driver from WA, was driving for the Marlborough Holden dealer team. Now he was racing the car in a distance race with John Harvey at Oran Park. They were leading the race, the car had a fuel issue, and he pulled over to the side of the circuit, ran back to the pits, got some tools, pulled the fuel line off, siphoned fuel out of the fuel line with his mouth, spat in the carby and actually got the car running again, and they went on to win the race. Something you would never ever see on the current platform of racing in Australia or around the world. Now, Holden was so impressed by the coverage that received, they said to Wayne, what would you like? He said, well, jokingly, I'd like an A9X Torana hatchback, and they agreed to it. So he spent over a week at General Motors Holden following this car down the production line. It is one of one, it's a unique colour, it's got unique trim in it, and it's the only one ever built as a factory automatic. Now, he had the car for many years, it is unrestored, it's still got all the original running gear. He fitted it with an L34 Spec 5-litre engine, and the car is absolutely unique and with a unique history. Now, Wayne wasn't just a driver for the Marlborough Holden dealer team, he was also a mechanic as well, and he was the face of MHDT in WA. Now, when Peter Brock and John Harvey came over to WA, it was the only time ever that Marlborough Holden dealer team took out first, second and third with 3 A9Xs, with Wayne driving the third car. So there's a lot of history around this car. It's a fantastic bit of Holden history, and it is definitely the unicorn.